Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Miss Jackie Russell behind all of this, and I'm having a great day and I hope you all are too. Today I am going to show you guys a cookie, a special cookie. It's not even the cookie of the month, it is a limited edition from the BlackOut Baking Company. She had a special cookie to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It's her famous BlackOut cookie, and she even stamped the box BlackOut on both sides. So I thought that was kind of interesting because she never does that. But her BlackOut cookie is one of the ones that made her, I don't know if you'd say famous, but that's the one she's best known for. We're going to look in here. She always has it dressed up a little bit with the little frizzle paper. We're going to take that out, and we're going to find our little box of cookies. And I hope you all are having a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. And if this is the first time to my channel, I say welcome, and I hope you come back and see me. Maybe consider subscribing, and you can hit that notification bell and you'll know my next video that's coming out. But today we are going to talk about this limited edition. It is called the BlackOut Guinness BlackOut Cookie. And this cookie is a special treat. Like I said, normally I wouldn't order one, and this is not a subscription. You do not have to do a subscription to get cookies from her. You can go on her site and just order cookies right out, and they've got different sizes. This is a small box. It's going to have 12 cookies, and you can see them in there. She also gives you all the ingredients, and then they're always packaged in plastic. I guess, to keep them fresh. And these are chocolate because they are her BlackOut cookie. And they are drizzled with a little white chocolate icing, it looks like. And this is the Guinness BlackOut cookie. And it is to have chocolate ganache, I think, on the inside. So let's take a taste. That's the inside. So it's ganache. It's not necessarily chocolate. Very good. I couldn't find me a St. Patty's Day cup, so I found Laura's San Antonio Zoo cup. She loves to go to zoos. So I'm going to have a little coffee with this cookie. It's very moist. Kind of tastes a little bit like a brownie. Very chocolatey. And the ganache is just a little sweet touch, like icing. Very good. It goes well with coffee. I'm sure that it would go well with wine too, some red wine. Or, Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper, tea. Whatever your preference. But very good with the coffee. Now, back to the BlackOut Baking Company. Now, I ordered these special because she had a limited edition, and it was for St. Patty's Day, and you had to order by midnight, Saturday night, to even get them. And that's when I ordered about an hour before midnight, because I got back to my hotel room and seen the email. I'm back home now, as you can tell. And I ordered these cookies because I wanted to try them out because she has such great cookies. And her name's Shanna, and she's a small business woman. Her little shop is in Illinois, and so she does baking there for her locals, and she also ships out to us, customers that would like to have her gourmet cookies at their home. So if you're ever interested in cookies, you can just order cookies. No subscription necessary. If you decide you want to subscribe, then you can sign up for that and you'll get the cookie of the month once a month. But today we're featuring the Guinness BlackOut cookie, and I will have to say I would highly recommend it. And while we're here, I have a little bit of friend mail. Hold on. I got some friend mail. I'm going to cover up her address from Dana. It's Dana or Dana. I'm not sure how she pronounces it. And she sent this to me. And I'm going to open this up. She had a nice little butterfly on the back. Isn't that pretty? And I got to make sure I don't have her address flying up in the video. Let's see what she says. It's a thank you note. Isn't that so pretty? I love that purple flower. It's so beautiful. She says thanks. And then she says, thank you so much for my prize. Just arrived at my door. It will go to great use. Thank you. God bless you. Keep up the great work. Your videos are great. Thanks again, Dana or Dana. Like I said, I'm not sure which way it is, but that's her little note to me. And Dana, I really appreciate you, and I'm so glad you're enjoying the prize that you received. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching my videos and commenting, because that's how we get to know each other. And there are so many of you that I have met, and I just love and adore you all. And I really love getting all your comments. So thank you, Dana. That was very sweet of you to send me a thank you note. And of course you didn't have to, but I appreciate it, and thanks again for that. Now, that is pretty much all I have today. I do have a couple of collaborations out right now with giveaways. I have my fairy garden party collaboration with 7 channels altogether. You can check that out. I'll have the link in this video. I also have FABFITFUN versus GOLDIE boxed mother-daughter battle going on with Laura, and that too has a giveaway. And there are some other hidden giveaways that you might want to check out some of my previous videos. But like I said, if you haven't subscribed, now's a good time to do so. I'll be having my 500 subscriber giveaway, and thank you everybody. I'll be having that real soon, and that is going to be a curated FabFitFun spring box, and I'll put it all together once I have everything, and I will get that video out as soon as I can. But as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye, and happy St. Patrick's Day.